Good evening, class 11. Today I am going to do two examples under ion electron method. So let's start. First one is Zn plus NO3 negative arrow Zn2 positive plus ammonium. The medium is basic medium. First of all, I am going to split the equation into two halves, that is reduction and the oxidation half. First of all, I am writing the reduction half, that is nitrate to ammonium, as nitrogen undergoes reduction from +5 state to -3 state. Now to balance the oxidation number of nitrogen on both the sides, I will be adding 8 electrons on the left hand side. Okay. Now this equation is balanced with respect to the oxidation states of nitrogen atom. Now I will be balancing this equation with respect to the charge. So I have to use the medium. Since it's a basic medium, I'll be adding hydroxyl ions on the right hand side as it contains positive ions, and water on the left hand side. To balance the charge on both the sides, I will be multiplying hydroxyl ions by 10 and water by 7. Okay, now this entire equation is balanced charge wise and atom wise. Okay, now I'll be moving to your oxidation half reaction. Oxidation half is zinc to zinc positive ions, zinc 2 positive ions, Zn arrow Zn2 positive plus 2 electrons. So this is balanced with respect to the oxidation states. Now we are going to multiply the oxidation half reaction into 4 so that the number of electrons in both the half reactions are equal. Okay, first of all we are going to balance these two equations. Reduction half reaction is balanced, then oxidation half reaction is balanced. Now I will be multiplying oxidation half reaction by 4 so that the total number of electrons in both the reaction is 8. Now I am going to give you the overall equation. Overall equation is 4Zn plus nitrate plus 7H2O. The number of electrons on both the sides gets cancelled. Right hand side we have ammonium ion plus 4Zn2 positive plus 10 OH negative. This is my overall balanced equation. Okay. Next example. Br2 plus H2O2 arrow BrO3 negative plus H2O. The medium given is acidic medium. Here also we have to split the equation into two halves. So first of all I am writing the reduction half. Now oxygen atom undergoes reduction from -1 state to -2 oxidation state. Now as on the left hand side I have 2 oxygen atoms, so on the right hand side I have to multiply water by 2. Now we are going to calculate the oxidation states. Left hand side each oxygen has -1, okay, and on the right hand side each oxygen has -2. That means 2 oxygen will be having -2 charge and here 2 oxygen will be having -4 charge. To balance the oxidation state, I'll be adding 2 electrons on the left hand side. Okay, now this equation is balanced with respect to the oxidation state. Now we have to balance the equation charge wise. So hydrogen ions I'll be adding on the left hand side. Since I have 2 electrons on the left hand side and right hand side the charge is 0, so hydrogen ion has to be multiplied by 2. Right, so this equation is balanced with respect to their charge and with respect to the number of atoms present. Next, the oxidation half. In oxidation half, the bromine atom undergoes oxidation from 0 to +5 oxidation state. On the left hand side I have 2 bromine atoms, so right hand side bromate will be multiplied by 2. Okay, now we have to see to the oxidation states. Left hand side oxidation state of bromine is 0, right hand side it is +5. That means each bromine has oxidation state +5. So 2 bromine will be having oxidation state of +10. To balance the oxidation states, on the right hand side, I will be adding 10 electrons. Okay. Now this equation is balanced with respect to the oxidation numbers. Now we have to balance the equation charge wise. Means I have to add hydrogen ions and water. So hydrogen ions will be added on the right hand side and water on the left hand side. So left hand side charge is 0. Right hand side charge is how much? It is your -2. -2 for bromate. It is -12 including bromate and the electrons. So hydrogen ions will be multiplied by 12. So overall charge on both the sides will be same. Okay, so water will get multiplied by how much? By 6. Okay, so both oxidation and reduction half equation gets balanced. Now I will be multiplying reduction half reaction by 5. So the number of electrons in both the equation remains same. And I will be giving the overall equation. Overall equation is Br2 plus 5H2O2. Then arrow 2 bromate. The number of electrons gets cancelled on both the sides. Water molecule is how much? 4H2O. 10 minus 4, okay, and your hydrogen will be your 12, 10, 2H positive. 2H positive. So left hand side charge is equals to the right hand side charge. Yeah, the equation is balanced. This is the overall balanced equation. So that's it, class 11. Thank you.